What's up guys? I just got the new MacBook Pro, doing a little unboxing video. This is the front. This is the back. I got the 14-inch MacBook Pro M1 Pro chip. It's for new business. Let's check it out. Pretty simple. Oh, it looks like that broke already. I don't know. Oh no, that's just a ripper. Makes sense. Take it out over here. Oh, that nice new Apple. I like it. It's been a while since I upgraded my MacBooks. Alright, that's how it looks like when you go inside. Pretty nice, pretty nice. There's a little flap. I was wondering if it came with a charger, I'm not gonna lie. These new iPhones don't. Thank God this MacBook did. Seems like it comes with a charger, it comes with some other stuff. Yep, charger right there. Comes all nicely sealed. Nice and easy flap. That's the back end of it. Ooh, it's got some engravings on it now. That's pretty nice, pretty nice. Other ones don't have that. This is a 14-inch model. Alright. That's the back end. Duh. Alright, let's see this bad boy. Comes with a printed screen protector. Oh, and it's ready to go. Look at that. Ooh, the fresh. So it doesn't have the touch bar, but it's got all the new M1 Pro chip. So that's pretty darn sweet. What else comes with? Let's see, some documents, yada yada, charger, and that's about it. I don't think that goes open. Yeah. Awesome. Hello, hello. So we're just finishing updating the MacBook Pro. Got around to opening this, and let's see what's inside. MacBook Pro, very neat. Comes with all the stuff. Boom, boom, boom. It's got the ID touch. So a little fingerprint scanner, and it did come with these new black editions. All my previous ones were white, so they're changing it up to the dark side, eh?